How to make a TikTok video your wallpaper. So if you want to make a TikTok video your wallpaper, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Just go ahead and then launch TikTok. Let's say you want any of the video to be your wallpaper. What you want to do is just tap on the share icon, which you can see from the bottom right, and then once you do that, over here you can see many different options. Just scroll and look for the option that says set as a wallpaper and tap on it. Now it will take some time to download that particular image, and this will be the wallpaper. So tap on set as wallpaper. You can just choose to preview it if you want to, and then you can just tap on set wallpaper, which you can set as your home screen wallpaper or home and lock screen. So let's say I'll select home screen right here. If I just come back, you can see my home screen wallpaper has been successfully added. So this way I'll be able to go ahead and then basically make a TikTok video my wallpaper. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.